The heart is the physical center of the circulatory system, managing over 75 trillion cells. It is also the electromagnetic center of the body, emanating thousands of times more electricity and magnetism than does the brain. The heart's electromagnetic field is 5,000 times stronger than that of the brain. Its electrical field is 60 times greater than that of the brain. Not only is its electromagnetic capacity greater than that of the brain, but it is organically capable of performing certain brain-like functions. In fact, between 60 and 65% of the heart's cells are neural, identical to those present in the brain. The heart is one of the body's major endocrine glands, producing at least 5 major hormones, which impact the physiological functions of the brain and body. The heart has long been known as the center of the body, as well as the home of the soul. All energy contains information, and all cells are energetic. The closer a group of cells, the more likely they are to oscillate or vibrate in a coordinated rhythm, thereby producing a more powerful and intense signal. Heart cells are tightly organized, thus generating an extremely strong shared signal, which is both electrical and magnetic. The heart's internal signal is stronger than any produced by other parts of the body because it is more intense. Most people believe that the brain initiates the first response to incoming events and then orders our reactions. Analysis reveals, however, that incoming information first impacts the heart, and through the heart, the brain, and the rest of the body. Our hearts are so strong that they can actually formulate the most well-known symbol of love, light. Research has shown that under certain conditions, a meditator can actually generate visible light from the heart. The meditation technique must be heart-centered, not transcendent. When this occurred during studies at the University of Kassel in Germany in 1997, the heart emanated a sustained light of 100,000 photons per second, whereas the background had a count of only 20 photons per second. Modern equipment can now measure the heart's field, the strongest of those originating from an organ, up to 15 feet away. Dr. Valerie Hunt, in a study of structural neuromuscular energy field and emotional approaches, recorded the frequency of low millivoltage signals emanating from the body during Rolfing sessions. She made these recordings using electrodes of silver and silver chloride on the skin. Scientists then analyzed the wave patterns recorded with a Fourier analysis and a sonogram frequency analysis. The field did indeed consist of a number of different color bands, which correlated to the chakras. The following results taken from the February 1988 study showed color frequency correlations in hertz or cycles per second. Blue measured 250 to 275 hertz plus 1200 hertz. Green measured 250 to 475 hertz. Yellow measured 500 to 700 hertz. Orange measured 950 to 1050 hertz. Red measured 1000 to 1200 hertz. Violet measured 1000 to 2000 plus 3 to 400 and 6 to 800 hertz. White measured 1100 to 2000 hertz. The biomagnetic field is composed of information from each organ and every bodily tissue. The heart's current determines its shape, as the heart is the body's strongest electrical producer. The primary electrical flow is therefore established by the circulatory system as well as the nervous system. The nervous system interacts with the circulatory system and creates distinct flows, seen as whirling patterns within the fields. John Evans, in his book Mind, Body, and Electromagnetism, shows that there are various patterns produced by frequency and spin in the human body. The pattern of a liver is different from that of a vertebrae. And that's just a brief snippet on the heart and our holographic bodies. I'll be adding a lot more to this soon.